Hello, welcome to Rainy Day Rock Hounding. Well, today is the first day I am going to put oil, mineral oil light from Tractor Supply in my Gino rock trim saw. It's the first time I've ever used the oil, and this will be really exciting. My son, who's in the Air Force, I just promised as a graduation gift of the future, I'm going to make him a lapidary chess set. Him and his Air Force airmen of the Honor Guard play a lot of chess. So I'm going to cut some. He decided he likes petrified wood, which is Washington State's official gem, and red jasper. So red and the opponent petrified wood. I'm going to start cutting some bases for the pieces. It should be fun. Join me. Okay, this is my... Well, let me turn this thing off. That was Walmart had a clearance sale on $15 rock tumblers. Amazing. So I use that one just for a polishing stage. Anyway, it's Gino time. No, not Seattle's newest quarterback, but the rock trim saw. I'm going to go ahead and take off the belt and open this up to show you. That's where we're going to pour some mineral oil light. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a little mineral oil light, and you only want to cover the edge of the lapidary blade by about 3/8 of an inch. So I put it in like a dipstick, and boom, that is perfect. And you see, it doesn't take a lot. All right, let's cut some jasper. All right, purring like a kitten. You can see the oil is a drip, drip, drip. It's being carried up from the reservoir up by the blade, and will lubricate as it's cutting some jasper. This is the piece that I'm going to try cutting some base slabs for some chess pieces. Hey, welcome back. We cut us some jasper. We got the slabs right here. I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. And this is a messy stone to cut, by the way. I'm looking into some how to filter the oil and clean it methods. But yeah, we got some beautiful pieces of jasper that if I like them, they could turn out to be the base pieces for my son's chess set, or you know, I have a few in here. I like to tumble the end pieces and make into pendants. Anyway, let me clean them up and we'll get back to you. Hello, welcome back. Here is the bases of my son's future chess set. Unpolished, rough cut jasper. I'm going to use a quarter to trace out the circles, and then I'll get back to the trim saw and cut them out, ready for the cab machine. Some of the end pieces I'm gonna tumble, I think, and make some beautiful pendants. And then this one I might cab and polish. Yeah. All right. Yeah, my template, the circles aren't big enough. So, not for the project that I want them to accomplish. So back on the shelf, and the Gino trim saw, awesome. There is no comparison to cutting with oil compared to water. I've cut a lot of slabs with my wet tile saw. This is the bomb. Oh yeah. Gino trim saw. Yeah, it's the quarterback of my little rock shop I'm putting together. All right, there it is. Nicholas, the red jasper bases to your pawns. Rainy day rock hounding, signing off. Welcome back. Here's the slabs of jasper I just cut. And there is beautiful color in those. I don't know if it's focusing right. But yes, beautiful bases to the pawns of my son's chess set. Nice.